Welcome to day 15 of the 30-day momentum roadmap. So today we're going to talk about short responses win every time, why less words in your comments generate more clicks and more customers. So stop writing essays, start giving people exactly what they ask for fast. Keep it simple, okay? That's what we're going to talk about today. So like if you're posting a video or something, okay? You're posting a video or a piece of content to social media, and you have like a CTA where someone's like, where you tell people, like, so you have a CTA in your content, you say like comment ready or whatever, and I'll send you the details. So that's what you gotta, so when someone comments ready, you just got to keep that reply really short. Okay. So that's what we're talking about today. So let's get into it. So the mistake most creators make after a CTA fires. Okay. Like I said, a CTA means a call to action. Okay. So people are on social media to scroll and watch, not to read a paragraph. The longer your response, the lower your chance of getting a click and having them go to your website and potentially purchase one of your products or services, whatever. Okay. So what a lot of people write, what most people write, they write a big old paragraph. Okay. They try to sell in the comment section. That's not where you sell. Okay. So like, for example, hey, so great to hear from you. I'm so excited to share this with you. The blueprint is absolutely amazing and it's completely free. Just head over to the link in my bio and you'll find everything you need there. I've been using this system for a while now and it's completely changed my life. Let me know if you have any questions. Too long. Nobody reads past line 2. What actually gets clicks? Blueprint details, wealthwithdan.com. Get it here, wealthwithdan.com. Grab it here, wealthwithdan.com. Access now, wealthwithdan.com. Under 7 words, fast, clear, gets the click. Okay. Keep it short, keep it simple. Why short responses win every single time? Because number one, people scroll, they don't read. Your comment lives in a feed full of competing content. If it takes more than 3 seconds to process, they've already moved on. Short equals processed instantly. 2, they already said yes. When someone comments ready or blueprint or whatever your CTA is, they're not asking to be convinced. They're asking for the door. A long response makes them doubt they asked. A long response makes them doubt why they asked. So keep it short, keep it simple. See, it's human nature. We just want to yap, yap, yap and just like try to like convince them and try to sell them and write a whole paragraph thinking like that's going to work. It's not going to work. Okay. I've experimented with this. So number 3 is simple, more action. The simpler the next step looks, the more people take it. A single link feels easy. A paragraph feels like homework. Easy always wins. Number 4, it doesn't feel like selling. Under 7 words with a link reads as helpful, not salesy. Long responses feel like a pitch. Short responses feel like a friend pointing you somewhere good. The mindset shift that changes everything. Old way of thinking, every comment response is a chance to sell. Result, long pitches, low clicks, people feel pressured. New way of thinking, every comment response is a chance to serve. Result, short responses, more clicks, people feel helped. Focus on serving the people. Serve the people. The more people you help, the more value you offer the world, the more money you're going to make. Okay. You're not responding to close a sale. You're giving someone the link to what they already asked for. That's it. Serve, don't sell. Say this in your brain. Serve, don't sell. Serve, don't sell. Your CTA response bank, copy, paste, and send. Save this in your phone notes. When someone comments, copy one and post. Under 7 words always. Yeah, I have all these CTAs in my notes in my phone, okay? So all I do is copy and paste whenever somebody is responding to my CTA. Like for example, blueprint, wealthwithdan.com. Blueprint details, get it here, wealthwithdan.com. Okay? Grab it here, wealthwithdan.com. Access now. Your free copy. First step starts here. Okay, these are examples that you can use. We can always go to AI, ChatGPT, whatever, and create even more examples. Okay, so pro move, save all 6 in your phone notes. Rotate them so your responses don't look automated. Okay, copy, paste, and send. Like in social media, you don't want to do the same response every single time over and over again, because after a while you might get flagged. Okay, you can do the same response maybe like 5 times and then switch it up. How the whole system flows together. Every piece connects. Here's what the full journey looks like from your video to your customer. Number 1, post a video with a CTA at the end, like comment ready. Number 2, they comment ready. They raised their hand. They said yes. Number 3, you reply short and fast. Under 7 words, the link, that's it. Number 4, they click the link. One tap, they're inside your world now. Number 5, automation takes over. Email sequence begins. System works 24/7. Okay, number 6, viewer becomes customer without a single sales call or DM pitch. Okay. You see how it works? That's the process. That's the process. Get them inside of your automations. We just have the CTA. Okay, we reply with our with our short reply. So, okay, number 3 is the short reply, right? Short and fast. The goal is to get them to click on the link, and then once they click on the link, they're inside of your automations. Okay, that's the process. So here's 3 video hooks you can use this week to build your business. I'm going to use it with my business. Now you can go to AI, whatever your business is, and you can show AI these exact examples, and AI can create you unlimited varieties. Okay, whatever business you're doing, whether you're doing the business I'm doing or something else. So 3 video hooks to use this week. You've learned it. Now use it. Here are the 3 hooks built around today's lesson. Relatable question. Anyone else out there working hard every single day, but still feeling like there's nothing left over for the life you actually want? Opens with a question. Names a feeling your perfect customer carries every day. They nod yes before the second sentence. Okay, honest start story. I don't have it all figured out, but I made a decision to stop waiting until I did. And that decision changed everything. Vulnerable, beginner friendly, immediately relatable. Nobody has it figured out. This creates instant connection. Okay, curiosity and possibility. What if you could build real income in just 2 focused hours a day without quitting your job or starting from scratch? Would you try? Creates an open loop the viewer has to close. Gets them thinking, tell me more before they even realize it. Pick one hook, record it today, end it with your short CTA response. That's the whole system in action. You're halfway through the 30-day momentum roadmap. Okay. You're halfway through. Let's celebrate what you've built in the past 15 days. Okay. You have your foundation. Days 1 to 5, your foundation, brand story, platform choice, your first videos, profile optimization. Days 6 to 8, your content engine, story-based content, power of storytelling, the 3-type content rotation. Days 9 to 11, your audience strategy, CTAs that convert, posting for connection, the comment intelligence method. Days 12 to 14, your growth system, CTA mastery, finding your ideal customer, intentional daily marketing. And then day 15 is today. Short responses that serve, not sell, more clicks, more customers. Your challenge, go share your biggest takeaway from the first 15 days in the community. We're celebrating every single one of you. So today's actions, simple, specific. Do these today before you move to day 16. Write 3 short CTA responses. Save them in your phone notes. Under 7 words each, use the examples on slide 5 as a starting point, then make your own. Number 2, go back and reply to any unanswered comments with your new short responses. Don't overthink it. Copy, paste, send. Feel the difference in confidence. Number 3, record a video using one of today's 3 hook ideas. End it with your CTA. Practice saying it out loud until it sounds natural. Uncomfortable equals growth. Number 4, share your biggest takeaway from days 1 to 15 in the community. You've done 15 days. That matters. Tell us one thing that changed how you think about your business. Short CTAs equal more clicks equal more customers. You're halfway there. Keep on going. You got this. And I will see you for day 16 in the next one. Have a great day and God bless.